6 de la mañana. Bueno, me han llamado unos amigos míos de Ciales que compraron una máquina nueva. Tienen que ir a probarla. Y yo no me negué. It's raining day. Yeah. No quiere que lo deje solo. Va a tener que comprar un calcí para este.
I'm built for it, nigga.
Yo, straight, check me out, nigga. Sorta like Malcolm at the Autobahn. They coming for me, my time is money, no Automall. See, bar for bar, I keep it pushing, no R&R. No foreign bras and no promotion for foreign cars. The game is ours, let's keep it funky, who said he was? Like Staten Island, Italians bleed spaghetti sauce. If y'all ain't shaking with stagging, then y'all already lost. Already crossed them like Christ, I'm ready for. Plus anybody that say no, I'm taking numbers. I'm taking names, I'll take your chains, take this hunger. Pain, pain, pain. Can you feel the thunder and rain? I don't talk it like the rain, boy, I get it done in the game, y'all. Do me a favor, don't never play with my ball. Never been a player hater, I just ain't playing with y'all. You watch your lane, but look, I'm taking the charge. Going hard to get you 2 shots, now I'm facing a charge.
Five the line, let's go take a ride. They might get you by surprise if you let them slide. But if you feel for the shit, then you might survive. Guess I see you when you wake up on the other side. Yeah, five the line, let's go take a ride. They might get you by surprise if you let them slide. But if you feel for the shit, then you might survive. Guess I see you when you wake up on the other side.
Ever since a nigga was a seed, only thing promised to me was the penitentiary. Still ballin', riding on these niggas cause they lame. In the 6-1 Chevy, still heavy in this game. Can you feel me? Blame it on my mama, I'm a thug nigga up before the sun rise. Quicker than the drug dealers, tell me if it's on. Nigga, then we first upon bus on these bitch made niggas, sit 'em up. West side, ain't nobody love me as a broke nigga. Finger on the trigger, Lord forgive me if I smoke niggas. I let my female strap, the fucker from the back, I get my currency in stacks. California's where I'm at, ride, pass by while these niggas wonder why I got shot but didn't die. Let them see who's next to try. Did I cry? Hell nah, nigga, tears shed. For all my homies in the pen, many peers dead, niggas still ball.
Five the line, let's go take a ride. They might get you by surprise if you let them slide. But if you feel for the shit, then you might survive. Guess I see you when you wake up on the other side. Yeah, five the line, let's go take a ride. They might get you by surprise if you let them slide. But if you feel for the shit, then you might survive. Guess I see you when you wake up on the other side.
The world is mine, yeah, get back. Don't mess with my stack, the game is whack. About to drop the bomb, I'm the West Coast Don. Big fish in a small pond. Not a fish trying to go, they book at the crook, but I shook. They worm and they hook. Babies hold they breath. They wanna miss me when I'm tipsy. Running everything west side of Mississippi. It's the unseen, pulling strings with my pinky ring. We got your woman pucker up, though we fuck her up. Bow down before I make a phone call. Got 25 years running up on y'all for the keys. Everybody freeze on your knees. But we squeeze, but nigga please. Before any of you guppies get hard. Near, rewind my part, boo.
Five the line, let's go take a ride. They might catch you by surprise if you let them slide. But if you build for the shit, then you might survive. Guess I see you when you wake up on the other side. Yeah, five the line, let's go take a ride. They might catch you by surprise if you let them slide. But if you build for the shit, then you might survive. Guess I see you when you wake up on the other side.
Now everybody wanna see us dead. Two murdered on the front page, shot the death bullets to the head. Niggas holler out my name in a similar way. Motherfuckers know I'm coming, so they run into their graves. Watch, swoop down with my nigga from the back. Cause corrupt don't give a fuck when you coward niggas stand blast. Keep pumping, ain't worried about nothing. But the story was frontin', so reload and keep dumping.
7,423 grains of sand dropped from the hourglass. It's how much time I got left on this planet.
Some motherfuckers gotta die.
I'm an evil motherfucker ready to tear shit up. I'ma put these things on you and never let up. See my mama, she was one when I was born. That a nigga like the E shouldn't have never